Hey folks, today I want to show you how to withdraw your Bitcoin from hashflare. And if you haven't set your Bitcoin wallet yet to link up with hashflare, then you're going to want to go to the settings page, and you see I put my Bitcoin wallet in here and I clicked save. You can also put your Ether, Dash, Zcash wallets if you're doing those contracts. So once that's set, you're going to click withdraw on this main page, and you see, yes, I have made a return on my investment in Bitcoin here. I have 15.54 terahash of the SHA-256 Bitcoin mining, which is the most profitable mining contract on Hashflare. And so I'm going to click this withdraw button, and then it's looking to withdraw everything that I put in here. If you want to change to this number, you can. I imagine, yeah, this little bar helps you do that. But right now I want to withdraw it all, so I'm just going to click withdraw here, and then it says success withdrawal request created. We have sent an email with the confirmation link. Please check your email and confirm. So I'm going to check my email and confirm, but that's the end of this video. It really is that easy. If you guys are interested, check out the other videos that explain how to buy SHA mining contracts with Hashflare, and click the link below to register, and you will not be dismayed with this one. See, my Bitcoin's gone.